Having trouble enabling driving mode in your Tesla with the phone key? This often stems from profile verification issues, security checks, or software mismatches within the Tesla app and vehicle. The app refuses to enable driving mode, leaving you unable to start your vehicle. This often stems from profile verification issues, security checks, or software mismatches within the Tesla app and vehicle. You'll see error messages preventing access to driving features. This video will guide you through diagnosing and resolving these common problems so you can get back on the road quickly. We'll cover everything from basic troubleshooting to more advanced solutions. Tesla has been actively refining the phone key system. Since mid-2024, updates like V4.18 Plus of the mobile app and firmware updates for Model 3, Y, and Cybertruck include enhanced security protocols and AI-driven anomaly detection to reduce false security flags. While generally stable, about 5 to 10% of users still experience issues. Understanding these updates helps pinpoint potential causes. The Tesla phone key relies on two key wireless technologies, Bluetooth Low Energy and NFC. Bluetooth Low Energy provides a low-power connection for ongoing communication between your phone and vehicle, while NFC handles close-range authentication for initial pairing and quick interactions. When you set up Phone Key, your smartphone generates a unique digital key using its secure hardware components. This key is cryptographically paired with your specific Tesla vehicle through Tesla's secure servers, ensuring only your phone can authenticate with your car. To enter driving mode, several security requirements must be met. First, your phone must be within approximately 10 feet of the vehicle for Bluetooth connectivity. Second, biometric confirmation through fingerprint scanning or facial recognition is required to verify your identity. Additionally, you may have optional multi-factor authentication enabled for extra security. Tesla's servers perform back-end validations to ensure security. Profile checks confirm your account is legitimate and properly registered. Security checks scan for any suspicious activity or potential unauthorized access attempts, using advanced algorithms to protect against various threats. For Phone Key to function properly, ensure these prerequisites are met. Location services must be enabled to allow proximity detection. Bluetooth needs to be turned on for continuous communication. NFC must be available on your phone for the initial pairing process and certain authentication steps. Let's begin with the basic fixes for Tesla phone key issues. These simple steps often resolve the most common problems. First, ensure your Tesla app is up to date. Open the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android and check for updates. Second, restart your smartphone. Power it off completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Third, reboot your Tesla vehicle. Hold down both steering wheel scroll buttons until the screen goes black, then release. Fourth, log out of your Tesla account in the app, then log back in. This refreshes your connection. Finally, clear the Tesla app's cache. Go to your phone's settings, find the Tesla app, and clear its cache data. If basic fixes don't resolve the phone key issue, proceed to resetting the feature. Open the Tesla app, navigate to Settings, and find the Lock section. Here, remove the existing phone key from your vehicle. After removing the key, re-add it by following the Tesla app's on-screen instructions. This typically involves scanning a QR code or confirming via Bluetooth. If you encounter error messages like security check failed or profile not verified, this points to a back-end server issue with your Tesla account. In such cases, directly contact Tesla support for manual verification and resolution. Firmware mismatches between the Tesla app and vehicle software are a frequent cause of phone key issues. The app and vehicle must be on compatible versions for the feature to work properly. To resolve this, ensure both the Tesla mobile app and your vehicle's software are updated to the latest versions. Open the Tesla app, go to Settings, and check for software updates. Also check your vehicle's touchscreen for over-the-air updates. Another common issue occurs when the Tesla app crashes after updating your phone's operating system, such as iOS or Android. Reinstalling the Tesla app often fixes compatibility problems. Bluetooth interference from other devices can prevent the vehicle from reading the phone key. Keep your phone within 10 feet of the vehicle, disable nearby Bluetooth devices, and restart Bluetooth on both your phone and vehicle if needed. Looking ahead, Tesla is innovating the future of digital keys with advanced technologies that promise greater security and reliability. Tesla aims to enhance phone key security with blockchain-based encryption, potentially reducing server-dependent checks and making the system more decentralized and secure. AI integration could enable predictive fixes, automatically resolving potential issues before they affect users and improve overall system reliability. Hybrid key systems are becoming more common, where phone key complements traditional physical cards, providing users with flexible access options. By 2027, Tesla projects a 50% drop in support tickets related to digital key issues, reflecting the success of these technological advancements. Real-world examples demonstrate how Tesla owners solve phone key issues. In one case, a Model Y owner faced a security check failed error after a software update. The root cause was firmware version misalignment. The fix involved rolling back the vehicle's firmware through the service menu, followed by reinstalling the Tesla app. This highlights the importance of version compatibility. Another example involved Cybertruck pre-order owners encountering profile not verified blocks during launch. These were caused by delayed account setups in Tesla's system. The solution was to manually link the phone key through the Tesla website, after which Tesla released an app patch within 48 hours. On Reddit, a Model S owner shared how they resolved a long-standing phone key problem by addressing Bluetooth connectivity issues on their Android phone. Simply toggling Bluetooth off and back on in the phone's settings resolved the issue, demonstrating that sometimes basic connectivity checks are the answer. These real-world examples illustrate the variety of phone key issues and solutions available. They also underscore the importance of community resources like online forums for troubleshooting tips.